Oh, hi everybody. I'm here to do a video on my two vacuum cleaners right here. Also, I'm here to do a video on my Riccar vacuum I bought at the Emporium store today here in Oklahoma. I bought this vacuum for $10. I actually paid $5 bills, two $5 bills with this machine. And also, it looks brand new to me. And I also bought a Dirt Devil handheld. And I'm looking forward to put duct tape over that part. And I'm looking forward to clean up the bag, the shakeout bag, and looking forward to buy new belts for it. And the beater bar looks pretty good, but it needs to be cleaned out. There's some little bit of dirt, there's some dirt right there, and this thing needs to be cleaned out. And I also knew that Riccar vacuum needed to be repaired. And I just really knew the vacuum cleaner was gonna. Also, inside of it right here, it's filled with dust right there. It needs to be cleaned out with the shop vac. It needs to be cleaned out. Might end up doing that tomorrow. But anyway, I just really found out I love this vacuum. It's really quieter. Works fantastically. And I'm looking forward to keep it. And guys, let me know on the comments what you like to see for a brand new video. I'll see you in the next video.